Happy New Year blessings to everybody here. Greetings in the name of the Lord. Happy 2022 and so happy to be here with all of us enjoying the presence of the Lord. Numbers 6:24 to 25 gives a beautiful benediction given to the people of God by God Himself through Moses, and it is applicable for us as well. I have taken up one of the phrases given in the benediction, which says, "The Lord will lift up His countenance upon us." Actually, I failed to find words to express the countenance of the Lord that is lifted up upon us, and that's why I brought this picture to drive home my point easily. We understand that human face is capable of more than 10,000 expressions, but I believe the sweetest thing, the best thing is the smile that comes from the heart. Proverbs 15:13 says, "A merry heart maketh a cheerful countenance." So we see the picture gives the flip side of approaching God. We usually approach God in prayer, asking Him to be with us, asking Him to be kind upon us, asking Him for His blessings. The flip side here is that God Himself is coming to us. God Himself is desiring our presence. God Himself wants to have relationship with us. And that's why His countenance is lifted up upon us. Isn't that the greatest blessing one could ever desire for? There's so much warmth in this picture. There's compassion, loving kindness, tender mercies expressed from the face of God when it is lifted up upon us. It happens because He loves us. He keeps loving us. I want to bring reference from the Bible to say how God's face is lifted up upon His people. They had a set apart appearance because the countenance of the Lord was lifted up upon them. They made difference from others. David glorifies the help and the health that he gets from the countenance of God, and it is written in the book of Psalms. Apostle Paul talks about his encounter with God when he was on his way to Damascus to persecute the Christians. But the countenance of the Lord was lifted up upon Paul, and this encounter enlightened him, changed his life's perspective, and led him to his divinely appointed destiny. So we understand that the countenance of God is not just His facial expression, it's a metaphor in itself. It says that God is looking at us with lots of approval, love and compassion, and He is so looking at us to bless us, to keep us in His presence, to make sure that He is available to us at all times. A good Bible study will give us an understanding of how blessed we are to have the countenance of the Lord lifted up upon us, right? I want to read few verses to you. We see that there is joy in His countenance. Psalm 21:6 says, "Thou hast made him exceedingly glad with thy countenance." Psalm 42 and 43 talks about His help and healing in His countenance. Psalm 44:3 says about the protection we have in His countenance. There is guidance in His countenance. Psalm 89:15 says, "They shall walk, O Lord, in the light of thy countenance." The countenance of the Lord gives us discernment. Psalm 98 says that our secret sins are brought out in light of His countenance. Psalm 80 begins like this: "Show the light of your countenance, and we shall be saved." So God is all-seeing, The eyes of the Lord are in every place, keeping watch over the evil and the good. Therefore, knowing that He is watching over us, that He is mindful of us, He fights our battles. He is always with us, ever present help in trouble. Let us seek God. May His countenance be upon us. Let us draw close to Him to see Him more closely, to see how beautiful He is, to see how loving He is, to see how forgiving He is, how faithful He is. When such an encounter happens in our lives, and I'm sure all darkness that is destroying us will be dispelled, and God will give revelation about His love and about His word, all that He has done for us. Right? When we know all of these things, we will have a blessed life. Although He knows every bit about us, He still wants to have a relationship with us. He still loves us. He wants to forgive us. He wants to be with us. He loves us. He wants to be loved by us. And that's why He is ready to lift His countenance upon us. May God enable us to realize that His countenance is lifted up upon us, that we could draw close to Him, be in His presence, and enjoy all the favors that He has in store for us. And may this new year bring all blessings that the heart would desire, so that He will be glorified through our lives. May God bless you, keep you blessed. May God continue to show Himself to us. May God continuously keep us in His presence, so that we will enjoy His peace. God bless you all. A very happy New Year. Blessings to all of us. Thank you.